Morning traders, Nick Mastrandrea, Market Tea Leaves here to bring you a daily market bias video for Friday, July 31st. It's approximately 4:25 a.m. on the East Coast. Today is the last trading day of July 2015. We're going to take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia traded mainly to the upside with the exception of the Shanghai and Singapore exchanges, which traded down somewhat. Currently right now in Europe, and this is currently ongoing as Europe is open and trading. Europe again is trading mainly, was trading mainly to the upside. Now it is switching reverse gears. It's now trading mainly to the downside. And apparently the Paris exchange seems to be the only one in positive territory at this particular moment. Now we're going to take a look at market correlation as it stands. Currencies in terms of US dollars trading lower. It's been trading lower pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of crude is also trading lower. There is no correlation between the US dollar and crude as of this broadcast. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading higher. They've been trading higher pretty much all morning long. And the indices themselves are pretty much flip-flopping between positive and negative territory. Currently right now, the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average all point to a lower open. But again, this is very, very fractional, which means it could go in any direction. Metals in terms of gold is trading down, so trading down pretty much all morning long. Doesn't appear to be very much in the way of a fear factor in terms of the precious metals gold market. And in terms of economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, we do have an employment cost index. This is not really considered to be major. And we do have a revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. Again, these are revised numbers, therefore there's not a tremendous amount of weight behind them. The major driver is going to be Chicago PMI because this will suggest expansion in the economy overall. So that's going to be at 9:45 a.m. and that's considered to be major. All in all, our bias is neutral. And the reason why we're suggesting this is very simply this. Currencies are trading down. Energies are trading down. Typically, when you see something like this, what we should be seeing is the indices should be pointing up. In other words, they should be advancing. The reality of the matter is they're really not. They're again flip-flopping between positive and negative territory. Right now, currently, they're in negative territory, but not by much. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything can happen in a volatile market, and that Chicago PMI report that I mentioned earlier could change market direction. It is a proven market mover. Hence, our bias is neutral because the markets could go in any direction. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.